Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video we're going to be looking at Smarthinking, which is an online tutoring service that is offered to you free of charge through Northwest-Shoals. So all students at Northwest-Shoals are automatically enrolled in a Smarthinking course in Blackboard. And so I'm logged into my sample student account here, and you can see here is my Smarthinking online tutoring course. But if it is not up at the top, if you can't seem to find it, you can always search for it right up there in the search box. Okay, so if I just type in the word SMART, then the course pulls right up. And then if it's something that you think you might use on a fairly regular basis, then you can click the little star here and make it one of your favorites, and that will ensure that it is always up here at the top. Okay, so anything that you have marked as one of your favorite courses will be up here at the top. Okay, so let's go in here and take a look at what we have inside. So here we have just some general information, and then this is a link to apply for student support services through the Northwest-Shoals website. And then this is what you really want to know about, which is how you actually access Smarthinking. Alright, so all of this down here, it does look like where you would be doing things, but you can't actually click on any of this. All of this is just informative. But right up here is where you need to click to get any help, right? So you have several options, and we'll just go through them from left to right. So first you have your writing help tab, and you have several different options for things that you can receive help with your writing. So you have the essay center here, which is what most of you would use the majority of the time, because this extended review is a minimum of 20 pages, and I don't think a lot of our courses, or maybe any of our courses, require you to write papers any longer than maybe 10-12 pages. So this would be just your general help with writing an essay, and then as you scroll over these, you get a description of what each of them is, right? So you can kind of go through here and look at the description and see which one of these is going to be the one that would be the most beneficial to you with what you need at the time. Okay, so the next tab says tutoring, and this is basically everything else, right? So you've got math, science, business, computers, technology, all this different stuff, and then for each one of these subjects is broken down into subcategories. The other thing that I want to point out is with tutoring, you can do a drop-in session, which means I'm just right now, I'm going to drop into a tutoring session. I can schedule it for the future, or I can just ask a question and receive a written response. So let's just go ahead and drop into a tutoring session. I'm going to do algebra. Okay, so I'll need to start by just typing a question. So let's see, submit question. Once we have it typed out, and then it says we're connecting you to the first available tutor. So let's see how long that takes. Alright, so you can see how the drop-in session works. You just type your question here. The tutor will join you as soon as they find one, and then you can chat with the tutor over here, and you've got your little toolbox of things to be able to do in this particular area over here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this session. And so it works the same way for all of these other categories as well for the drop-in tutoring. And then you also have the option to schedule a future session. So again, we'll just come in here and pick one of these. So I've got my subject picked out. I need to select a day. and a time zone, and then all of the available time slots, depending on which day that you select, will show up here. So if I change the day, then you see here I have a lot more time slots available. And you see you've got, all hours of the day available for scheduling your tutoring sessions. All right, so then your next tab up here, when you have scheduled sessions, they will show up here. All right, and you can kind of keep up with when your sessions are scheduled for. And then the last couple of tabs here are things, just support resources for you. So you've got some video lessons in all of these different areas here, and then you have some more resources. Some of them are just study skills. So just some different kind of general helpful support resources for you. And then this would be if you needed help with, technical support for Smarthinking. Okay, so that is Smarthinking. And if you have any issues accessing or using the Smarthinking interface, then please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Matthew McCarg in the Distance Education Office, and my phone number is 256-331-5453.